Hello everyone! Today's video is going to be a full face of first impressions. I'm testing out a new makeup line, Kaja. Thank you so much to Kaja for sending me this box of makeup. I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get on to the review. The box says Kaja and then it also says new and exclusively at Sephora. So you guys can get this new makeup line at Sephora. Let's open this up. Aww. Yay! At the top here are the beautiful models. And then over here are just descriptions of their makeup products. Dun, 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 dun. The products! These look so adorable. Oh my god, we're good. I'll tell you guys more details about the products throughout the video, but I wanted to share with you guys what they're called. First, we have Cheeky Stamps. Then we have Mochi Glow, Beauty Bento, and Cushy Vibe. The box also came with a little booklet, so I can be reading off of this as well. Oh my god, look how cute they are. Okay, let's get started. We have blushes, highlighters, eyeshadows, and lipsticks to try out. So the first product I'm going to try out is the eyeshadow. These are called Beauty Bentos. They cost $21 and they're available in 2 shade sets. This is number 1 Rose Water and then number 2 Orange Blossom. These are super cool. There's 3 eyeshadows stacked in one. Let me read you guys the description. They are a shimmer eyeshadow trio. They're bite-sized shadows and they apply intensely with 1 swipe shimmer for some serious eye candy. It says to use your fingers and apply a single shade or layer for intense multi-dimension. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use my fingers first, and then if I have to blend it out, then I'll use some brushes. Let me just show you guys the shadows. They are stunning. First, there's number 1 Rose Water. The first shade is this beautiful shimmer. It's like the basic shimmer that would go on like a cut crease or something like that. The second one is this purpley plumish color. This kind of has blue and pink shifts. And then last we have this dark purple shade, which is absolutely beautiful as well. And the next one is number 2 Orange Blossom. The first shade is like a rose gold champagne-y color. It has gold undertones and again, it's so pretty. The next shade, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's a pinkish gold with gold shifts. And the last one is kind of like a purple brown. Alright, enough rambling. Let's try this out. I'm going in with the second one. The models in the box kind of had a ombre of the color. So that's what I'm going to try to achieve. The set makes the eyeshadows go from lightest to darkest. So that's what I'm going to do on my eyes. I'm just going to start with the lightest shade here and then go to the darkest over here. It also comes with a mirror, which is so perfect. First, I'm going to use my index finger. Oh my god, they're so soft. And the models had it like pretty high. Wow, this is so pretty. What? Oh my god, it's so nice. I love it. There's like a little fallout, but that's really common with glitter shades, so I'm not too worried about that. And then next, I'm going in with my middle finger and using the second shade. I cannot wait to see this shade. Ooh. We are looking so shiny. I am in love, you guys. And last but not least, the darkest shade with my ring finger. Yes. Here are the finished eyes. It literally took like 5 minutes to apply all the shades. They're so easy to work with, and as you can see, I just used my fingers and not even one single brush. Let me show you guys up close. They're so pretty. I'm going to apply some mascara and then I'll be right back. I'm actually obsessed. Anyways, moving on. These are their Cheeky Stamps. I'll show you guys in a second how cool they are. But first, I'll tell you guys the details. These are Cheeky Stamps. They're $24 and they're available in 4 shades. It's a buildable blush and their heart-shaped blush adds a natural looking flush. Ooh. Build intensity by stamping multiple times. Twist top to reveal applicator. Pop open bottom compact. Push sponge into cushion formula. Blend upon application. What they're saying is twist top to reveal applicator. Boom! Guys, it's a heart stamp. Like, it's a stamp. You pop open the bottom and then this is like a cushion. If I can open it. Okay, so how this works is you stamp this into the cushion and then you, yeah, and it's a heart shape. So you can either leave it like a shape of a heart or you can blend it out. I'm going to be blending it out, but say for like Valentine's Day, if you wanna just leave it as a heart, I think that would be super cute. But like, here's an example, like they left it, it's so cute. These are the 4 available shades. Number 1, we have Koi. This is very natural. If you're not a big blush person, then this would be perfect for you. Number 2, Sase. This is also pretty natural. It kind of has more of a berry tone. Number 3, we have Bossy. This is like a corally pink. I think I'm gonna use this one today. It looks really cute and I really like this color. And last but not least, we have number 4, Feisty. This is much more berry toned. It's the darkest of all of them. These are adorable. All right, let's do it. Again, I'm taking Bossy number 3, stamp it into the product. Ooh, 1, 2, 3. I'm not sure how pigmented they are yet, so I'm going to blend out this one and see if I should stamp the other cheek, because if it's really pigmented, then I'll just use this one to transfer on that one. But then if it's not, then I'll stamp my other cheek. Oh yeah, these are very pigmented. I'm just gonna apply some on this side as well. Try to get an even amount. They're blending so nicely. You guys, I'm obsessed with this makeup line. Everything's working so well. So it just gave me a very natural color. If I used another stamp on this cheek, it would definitely be much more vibrant, but I'm trying to go for more natural because that's what the brand is kind of like. It's not about full coverage or anything. It just seems more natural. So here's the blush. A+ for this as well. Next, we have highlighters. These little guys are called Mochi Glows. These are $19, available in 4 shades, which I have right here. They are blendable cream highlighters, which dries to a powder for the sweetest lit from within look. Oh, how fun. And it says build up to desired intensity. Let's just go through the colors. Number 1 is called Toy Alien. This is the lightest shade, and it's just your regular gold highlighter. Number 2 is Prism. This has really cute pink packaging, and the color is more rose gold champagne-y. Number 3 is Luna, and I think this will match my skin tone the best. It's pretty similar to Toy Alien, the first one, but this gold is a little more darker. And then number 4, the darkest one, is called Stardust. I probably won't be using this because it's a little too dark for my skin tone, but I love how they included a darker shade for darker skin tones. You know what? I'm actually gonna use these two. So I'm gonna use number 2, Prism, and then number 3, Luna. I'm gonna jazz it up a little bit and put Prism in my inner corner and then on my brow bone, and then I'll just use Luna for the rest of my face. So these are cream that dry to powder. Ooh, I love. This is definitely more pinky and purplish. Even though it's a cream highlighter on my face, it just feels like a powder highlighter. Okay, and then on my brow bone. Ooh, yes, that is fun. So you guys can see the little pinkish purple in the inner corner, and then as well as the brow bone. And then Luna, I'm going to apply to the rest of my face. Cheekbones. Alright, so it's really pretty. It's more subtle. Down my nose. And Cupid bow. My review on highlighter, another A+. It's just if you're looking for a blinding highlighter, this might not be the one for you. It's more of a subtle and natural highlighter. And last but not least, we have Cushy Vibes. These are $18, available in 6 shades. I have 3 out of 6 of them right here. These are full pigment lip stains. They are moisturizing, comfort wear formula, gives lips a kiss of cushiony color that lasts all day. You can use the pointed end of the applicator to line the lips. Oh, how nice. I got colors number 1, Satin Sheets, number 3, Silk Robe, and number 4, Cashmere. And to end things off with a bang, I'm going to try to do an ombre with all 3 of them. That just means I'm going to do lightest to darkest. I feel like maybe this one's the darkest, so I'll put this on the outside, this in the middle, and then this in the center. And in the description, it said that I can use the pointed applicator as my lip liner. Okay, so right away I can tell these are very creamy. I know I look really weird right now, but don't worry, it's gonna turn out really good at the end. So yes, very creamy. Now let's move on to the red. Ooh! And last but not least, this pinky but nude kind of color. And now it's time to blend. Here's the finished lip. It didn't turn out as an ombre, but it just like mixed all of the colors together. But I am not mad. I really love how it turned out. Another A+ again. Oh, there's lipstick all over my hand, but it's okay. This is the finished makeup look. I absolutely enjoyed every single product. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, thank you so much to Kaja for sending me this makeup. I definitely recommend this to everyone. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye! Mwah!